No, thank you.
Got it? The room is right here. Let's see. Okay. Stand-up shower. A double and a twin. AC. Okay. Made it to our next hotel. A lot of exercise equipment.
So nice. Fly my drone to the highest. Well, not faded, but how many days are we staying at
5.
this hotel?
5.
Good enough. I was hoping for 8.
This trail goes on and on.
Oh yeah, it goes all the way down to. I'm 6 foot.
No, he's
Jokes.
5'11".
5'10". 5'10".
So right here, if you pause and read, it's a story about how the local women who get married to the men in the area, they have to go up the cliff to get water. So here we found like a stone statue of a lady carrying a pot on her back. Interesting. I like how there's a lot of people riding bikes around here. And also there's a lot of restrooms. And it's so cute how the little sign is of like divers.
Oh, even the water fountain.
Yeah, so cute. Where are we going now?
I don't know, walk around the city or walk around the hotel vicinity to see what's around here.
Oh, 감사합니다. Oh, it smells really good.
Looks good.
How's it?
Miso soup.
Miso soup.
Owner is very nice.
Get your own miso soup with seaweed.
I highly recommend this place if you want kimbap.
감사합니다. It's very good.
It's okay. Thank you.
We ordered a second one. Oh, 佢想你摸佢啊 So friendly.
삼촌이 좋아? 좋아? 삼촌이 좋아? 잘하냐? 영매 먹어. 영매 너 먹어.
Fresh.
안녕하세요. Dahlia.
See? Fish tag. Hotel high.
I think they're taking it down. The temporary cover. Wow. These cars just come right at you. Free parking. I noticed there's a lot of Chinese in this area. I'm guessing this is some sort of a temple. Wonder why the road here is red. Maybe because it's on a slope.
Once you cross the street, you feel that cool breeze.
There's a cool breeze over here.
Don't you feel it? Once you cross the street, I felt it.
Beautiful lotus mural with koi fish. And again, there's some Chinese writing. It's wow. 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 Over there in the distance, you see the mountain. And then over here, there's like a stream. Wow. Wow, is this beautiful?
The water was clean.
With the mountain in the distance. What's up here? Cool. What is this? Right here, there's some bamboo, pine trees, and palm trees. And there's like a really nice, wow, nice seating area. Or shall I say laying down area. And he's got a pillow. Is that the river?
There's a waterfall.
And there's a waterfall down there? Wow. There's a free gallery. 안녕하세요. It's like photography. Wonder if this is the texture of their suit, their gear. See?
No.
감사합니다. 안녕하세요.
There's a big screen projector back here.
Yeah. There's a koi fish here. Whoa. You can see your own reflection.
No, that's your doppelganger.
Oh my god, it opened.
Whoa.
This is the other side. Ooh, they're spraying mist. Wow. There's nobody at the park today.
Yeah. This stretches your back.
It's so smooth. Good stretch.
Not a single squeak. And I'm surprised.
See, it says JEJU, like that. And then this machine looks new. How is it? Wow.
You try it.
If only Canada would have these.
Maybe up north. Left, hold down.
My back is cracked.
Ouch. That must feel nice.
Okay.
Not golf, it's the lawn.
This is not golf? What is this?
Lawn something. I don't know. It's a hammer with a ball.
Ooh, nice hit.
Wait, I don't know what it is.
I think I know what you're talking about. We're just standing here watching them. So close. Oh, it might go in. Nope. Look at how cute. There's a little pine cone right there. You're gonna add to it. And then there's like a little trail with lots of steps. Oh, so pretty. I like how they covered the road with these grass. It's so pretty. Wow, what a view. Nice, eh? Ah, such a nice breeze. So many steps. Trying to go down to find a bridge to cross over to the city side. Imagine walking up all these steps. You think somebody lives here? Not sure. Thai. It's like something about yellow dragon. There's Chinese words. Wow. That is interesting. We're almost there. Almost to the bottom. This is the noodle restaurant. And they're so busy. It's just husband and wife working. This one, noodle with pork soup. We both got the same thing. The pork has a very sweet, clean flavor, and the texture just falls apart. It's like they slow cooked it for a very long time. And it's like not dry at all. It just falls apart. And this fatty part, it doesn't feel fatty. And the noodles are perfectly cooked. It still has a little bit of a bite to it, but it's not like mushy or anything. And then these onions help cut the richness of the pork. And then the soup, it has like a really nice umami flavor. It's slightly salty. And then these pancakes are still crispy. It has a slight like heat, like a spiciness to it. Kimchi is good too. Very good flavor. It's not too acidic. It's like on the milder, sweeter side, and it's not too spicy. Very good. Highly recommend this place.